Dokra art. It was in the news and it's mostly related to your Indus Valley civilization arts. जो इसमें methods use होते हैं, wax techniques use होती है, that is also used in the IVC. They are relating this art with the IVC, so it's become important कि IVC से अगर कोई art के बारे में पूछा जाएगा, तो it's most likely कि that was in the news, कि वो news में ही रहेगा, तो maybe the most thing they will ask about it. So let's see about the Dokra art. West Bengal Lal Bazar is not just an art hub, but it's also become a center for the Dokra popular metal crafts. In 2018, Dokra gets the GI tag. In 2018, the Dokra metal art gets the GI tag. Let's see about what is the Dokra. Dokra is former ancient bell metal crafts. Bell metal crafts का यहाँ पे meaning है कि it's a technique to design the different art forms. जो Dokra art के अंदर art form design होंगी, that's a design through the bell metal crafts. It's a technique to design those arts. Practiced by the Ojha metal smiths community का नाम है, like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal, and Telangana. So a statement can be framed, it's only belong to the West Bengal. No, it's belong to the various states like the Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal, and Telangana. The style also, the workmanship of this art community varies from different states. जो बनाने का स्टाइल है that can also be vary according to the states. It may be certain different style in the Jharkhand, maybe some different style in the West Bengal. The name Dokra comes from the Dokra Damar tribes. So they can also ask about the tribes, where this tribes is located. It's only located in West Bengal. It's only located in Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. So you need to the location as well. Their technique, the lost wax casting technique, it's directly mentioned in your R.S. Sharma. If you are reading the Indus Valley Civilization chapter from the R.S. Sharma, you will find जहाँ पे dancing girl का picture है, उसके side में ही it's written about the lost wax casting technique. It's a technique जहाँ जिसके through we are making a similar sculptures or similar things. Like original, this is original bottle. We can frame the same bottle through this bottle using this lost cast wax techniques. So this Dokra art is formed through the lost wax casting techniques. The Dokra artifacts are made in brass and are unique in that pieces don't have any joints. Without joints, they are making these art forms. And the time taking for each art forms is almost about 1 month. It's not like 2-day times की तरह. It can be made in the leg, but it will take because handmade hota hai. It's a handmade products and take a longer time to design. So it's take almost 1 month for completion of an art forms. The dancing girl of Mohenjo-daro civilization is one of the earliest Dokra artifact that is now known. So this is the most important fact for your examination purpose. The dancing girl of the Mohenjo-daro is one of the earliest Dokra artifacts till now. And the Dokra art is still used to craft artifacts, accessories, utensils, and jewelry. So this art is used in the various forms. This के through we can use in the utensils, in the jewelry forms, in the craft artifacts की forms में we can use it. Other craft forms में क्या-क्या हैं? One is the rare Jain imaginary icons from the Karnataka, Pahaldar lamps from the Jaipur, Prem Bharti craft from the Telangana, Marori work from the Rajasthan, Tarkashi work from the Rajasthan, and the Bidri craft from the Karnataka. These are the similar kind of the techniques. So match the following pairs में इनमें से ही कुछ ना कुछ आएगा. One is a Dokra art, another can be choose from the these similar art forms. Rare Jain imaginary from the Karnataka, Pahaldar lamps from the Jaipur, Prahembi craft from the Telangana, and the Marori work from the Rajasthan, Tarkashi from the Rajasthan, and the Bidri craft from the Karnataka. जब भी आप लाइक की कोई भी रिपोर्ट पढ़ते हैं, कोई भी आर्ट फॉर्म पढ़ते हैं, किसी एंडेंजर एनिमल के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, try to make the separate notes. Take a notebook, divide notebook in 5-6 parts, and write if there is any art forms. Write in the art part. If there is any reports, write in the reports table. If there is any animals, write in the animal parts. तो फाइनल टाइम पे जब लास्ट मंथ पे आप पहुंचेंगे, इट्स लाइक ए ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड नोट्स. तो विजन 365 के पीछे या फिर बाकी मुझे नोट्स दे दो, किसी कोचिंग की लिस्ट 200 एनिमल्स की लिस्ट आपको मिल जाएगी. बट व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम 200 एनिमल्स? दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. यू आर राइटिंग from the daily classes, if you're writing from the daily newspaper which was in the news, so it's become a ready made notes. तो उसके बाद आपको एग्जाम टाइम पे भागना नहीं पड़ेगा कि मुझे ये दे दो, मुझे एनिमल्स चाहिए, मुझे रिपोर्ट्स चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए. तो that can be already prepared if you can make a single notebook and divide that notebook in the 5-6 parts. So it can be very easy for you at the final time कि हाँ कैसे prepare करना है.